Hello everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I trust you're doing well and fine. Today we are going to be making together meatballs. So if this is what you would like to watch, sit back, relax and watch me put all of this together. Do not forget to please like, comment and share. Thank you. And also, if you aren't following the page already, please click the follow button and be a part of the family. Let's do this together. So the first ingredient I have there is minced meat. I have 600 grams measured out. If you do not have minced meat, you can buy meat from the market and use your food processor to make this here, but I bought this from the store. Next, the ingredients I have there on the plate are the seasoning I'll be using. For the herbs, I have oregano, half tablespoon. Parsley, I'm using the dry one because that's what I have in the house, half tablespoon. Basil, half tablespoon. Ginger powder, half teaspoon. Garlic, 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder, a 1/4 teaspoon. Salt, half a teaspoon. All-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, half tablespoon. Chili powder, half teaspoon. So I'll pour all of that into the bowl of the minced meat and we're going to combine all together. So for the parsley, the first option is always the fresh parsley, but I didn't have that, that's why I'm using the dry one. Next, I have a 1/4 of a medium-sized onions which I grated out because I do not love to see onions in my meatballs. I use my box grater to grate the onions. You can chop your onions into small bits if you don't mind. Next, I'm adding just 1 egg which I whisked, and I'll be adding 60 grams of breadcrumbs. I'll just mix all of that together and then we can start rolling the meatballs. I'll just mix and make sure that it is well incorporated. So I'm done mixing now. This is ready for us to start rolling. I have already prepared down an oven tray lined with baking paper. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop it out to give me an equal measurement. I'll just roll between my palm to give me the ball and I'll drop it on the oven tray. You can as well fry your meatballs, but I'm not frying at this point. I want to actually grill in my oven. So if you do not have an hand glove like I'm using to form these balls, you can use your bare palm, but remember to oil your palm with any kind of cooking oil to enable you roll the meatballs properly. So we're almost done. I'm going to be grilling in the oven for about 30 minutes under 180 Celsius. I want to appreciate everyone who has watched to this point. Thank you so much. So for the 600 grams of minced meat, I got 27 pieces of meatballs. So it's now time for us to put it in the oven. And here we go. It's ready after 30 minutes. It's well cooked and this tasted so good. If you've watched to this point, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. If you do try this out, please tag me to it so I can see how yours turned out. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.